First, though, former President Trump expected to turn himself in this afternoon to be arraigned on criminal charges in New York. Glad you're with us. I'm Justin Mormouth. Bridget is off. The charges, which are still sealed in the indictment, stem from an investigation into payments prosecutors say Trump made to two women to remain silent about previous sexual encounters. And here's a live look outside the Manhattan courthouse, where police have closed off streets and beefed up security ahead of today's arraignment. News 6's Mark Lehman is following the latest live in studio. And Mark, the judge is not allowing video cameras in the courtroom at the request of Trump's legal team.
The judge ruled overnight that no video will be allowed in the courtroom, but some photos will be permitted. This as we're now just about 2 hours from the arraignment, where we'll learn more about what's inside the sealed indictment. Crowds have been building outside the Manhattan courthouse, where former President Trump will be arraigned this afternoon. Among the demonstrators, some Republican lawmakers speaking out against what they're calling a weaponization of the justice system.
I'm here to support the President of the United States, who's being unfairly attacked by a DA.
The indictment remains sealed, but sources say Trump will likely be charged with falsifying business records. This is in connection to payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels in 2016.
The big kind of reveal today is we'll hear the charges. We think and expect there will be that charge of falsification of business records, but what is that hooked to bring that misdemeanor up into a felony?
Attorneys for the former president say he denies any wrongdoing.
Unless I've completely misread the universe, you should not expect a guilty plea.
New York City, meanwhile, is on high alert in preparation for the historic arraignment. Nearly the entire police force is on standby.
Anybody working is in uniform, so they can be called in immediately if something were to happen.
Right now, we're watching for the former president to leave Trump Tower, which is expected to happen anytime over the next hour. The arraignment is set for 2:15 this afternoon. We'll keep you updated with the latest. Justin?